Tatu, how are you, Marianne Lunshaw?
I'm in Stonehenge today, a very special place to meditate, a very sacred place, a very peaceful place.
And I'm on Curru Law, the fourth day of meditation, Macnav, and on Síochána are running down peace all over the world. Píkilo, come and join me. Gramor.